See that? That is steam. And this water is boiling hot. And I'm about to drop this phone in this boiling water. Just a thought that came to my mind. I just want to see how the phone looks like in boiling water. And after you take it out. So, here we go. Can't believe I'm about to do this. Can't believe I'm about to throw my phone in boiling water. Okay, let me just say my last goodbyes to my phone. Dude, it's been nice knowing you. You've had some good memories, and you've connected me with a lot of people, and I even started a YouTube channel because of you. But I gotta grow this YouTube channel, man. I gotta upload a video, so I gotta sacrifice you. So, cause you're kind of old now, and yeah, you're kind of useless now. Well, kind of feel bad saying that, but here we go. I'm about to I'm about to dip this old ass phone in this boiling water. Yeah, sounds crazy. But you people that are watching this are just as crazy as I am, so yeah, we're the crazy nation. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm about to do this.